Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I make a pizza skillet bake. Alright guys, I'm starting out here with my Copper Chef. Any old pan will work. I just happen to be using Copper Chef. And Dexter's in a talkative mood, so enjoy that guys. I have a 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Now this isn't lean, so we're going to have to drain off the fat when it's done browning. I'm going to get it into the Copper Chef and get it browning. And like I said, you can use any old skillet for this. I also have 2 parakeets in there guys, Verde and Azul. That's blue and green in Spanish. Which one's blue and one's green? So we're in there chatting with each other. And guys, my finger's doing good. I've downgraded to a Band-Aid. Everything's going great with that. I don't know if you haven't seen my other video, I was slicing up some potatoes and I sliced through my finger. Let me grab a spoon. I'm going to go ahead and brown up my ground beef here. And while I'm browning this up, I have 1 small onion I diced up and 1/2 of a green bell pepper. I'm going to get that in there and saute it with the ground beef while it browns. Dexter, what are you doing? So after I get this browned up, guys, I'll bring it back. Alright, guys, now that my ground beef is all browned up, I drained the grease off of my vegetables are sauteed. I'm going to add in some pizza sauce. I'm going to add in a 16-ounce jar of pizza sauce. Now, this recipe calls for a 4.5-ounce can of sliced mushrooms, but I can't put them in because Eric's home and he's eating dinner tonight, and he won't eat mushrooms. It also calls for pepperoni, but I forgot to get some, so we're not putting that in. I'm just going to stir my pizza sauce in. Now I have a 10.5-ounce can of cream of mushroom soup. That's going to go in. And that came out as clean. That's going to give it a good creamy flavor. Now my heat's off. I just have this on a hot burner. Dexter. Dexter. What are you doing? He's talkative tonight, guys. So I'm just stirring in my soup with the pizza sauce. Are you singing for everybody, Dexter? Huh? Alright, I'm going to add in some seasoning. I'm going to put in about a teaspoon of garlic powder, and I'm just eyeballing this, guys. And I'm going to put in about a teaspoon of oregano. And I'm going to blend that in there. Okay, now that that's all mixed in and it's looking good, I have a 16-ounce pack of white egg noodles that I boiled according to the directions on the package. They're going to go in. And I'm just going to stir them in there. Dexter, what are you doing? You're going to say hi to everybody? They were worried about you. They haven't heard you in a long time. Yeah, they were about ready to send Animal Protective Services here to check things out to make sure that I didn't bake you up in the air fryer or something. Okay, now you want to blend in your pizza sauce and soup and they're really good. And guys, this is a quick, easy weeknight meal that your kids will love. Like I said, I would put mushrooms in, but my Eric, my oldest son, he just will not eat them, and he won't eat around them. And like I said, it's called for some pepperoni, but I forgot to get it, so we're just going to do it without pepperoni. Okay, now I'm going to take some Italian blend cheese, and I'm going to sprinkle some on top here. Let me get this open. Don't mind me, guys. These things sometimes are a pain to open, these packs of cheese. Okay, we got it. Now I'm going to put a generous coating of cheese on top of this. And if you put pepperoni, what you want to do is cut your pepperoni up into little pieces and just stir it right in. Okay, now I'm going to put this in a 400-degree oven for 10 to 15 minutes so that cheese gets melted on top. And then this will be ready to go. Alright guys, this just came out of the oven. See the cheese is nice and melted. It's ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I went ahead and added a little bit of parsley on top there for some color. If you want a little more spice, some Italian seasoning or some oregano would work great for that too. Let me get in here and try this. Big clump of cheese here. With some noodles. Guys, that's really good. First off, you taste that green pepper. You get that pizza sauce. And the cheese and the pasta. That's really good, guys. Any kid around would love this, and it was really easy. Right, there you have it. Pizza skillet bake. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you.